Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Kia Sportage, stock reference number 4332. This shape runs from the 5th month 2005 through to the 6th month 2010. It has a G6BA 2.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. The G6BA 2.7 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front. We have the left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard flared type appeared to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has one small dent. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a couple of small dents, as does the right front door. Right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. We have automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.